Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prominence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars ELON or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital currencies aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars ELON coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any trace of basics. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no functional utility like other cryptographic forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high dissemination. The majority of the Dogelon Mars ELON are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars ELON appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the subject Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital forms of money. However, the notoriety of Dogelon Mars ELON has in the long run expanded. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogelon Mars, the street ahead. Most recent news reports out from the Cryptographic Money Market Manifest. Earlier year as well as 2022 may be a great time for Dogelon Mars ELON tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars have thrived for the current year. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the digital money market is generally tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began money management. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest digital currency list. From that point forward, business sectors saw a development in the posting of FLOKI Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoid Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. The majority of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is propelled by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the engineers had the carpet pulled the following day, costs plunged to close to 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane variable of image coins is that they will give profoundly beneficial returns and make their financial backers moguls short-term. In a study led by Kerbako, a cryptographic money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or essentials of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars ELON tokens is that financial backers have a great deal of trust in the symbolic's worth since it has been put at a shallow worth. Subsequently, the majority of the crypto holders are deceived by the Dogelon Mars value, that later on, it will hit a $1 maximum capacity is still left, or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. Normally, individuals begin buying this sort of coin out of impulses and likes. This makes a startling knock and dumps in the worth of the equivalent. The crowd conduct invigorated by an impetus in the market pushes the coin to spike. This may not occur with each coin. Some of them will go on with the exchanging esteem on the incipient stage or its sent-off cost for a long term without anybody seeing it and without making publicity on the social stages. This year, Shiba Inu surpassed the exchanged volume of Dogecoin. Elon Musk has of late tweeted a Chinese sonnet, and individuals began deciphering that tweet alluding to Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin crypto spat. This made another shockwave in web-based entertainment. Dealers who were curious about Dogelon Mars ELON tokens additionally began buying them. Such online entertainment builds-up can't be anticipated without fail. It is considerably more unusual than the unpredictability of the business sectors. Crypto holders can't expect every image coin will have long-haul procuring potential. What makes ELON novel? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a canine topic, utilizes a hilarious entertaining story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that regard the coin continuing on his undertakings to Mars, where he experiences more companion. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companion. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars ELON cost beat the cost expectations and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars ELON cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Similar to our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is around $0. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0, with an all-out market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The circling supply is 552-955-726-479-823 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. ELON cost took support at $0. The ongoing cost is gradually skipping from this level. However, in the event that Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep force in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels set at $0. The significant help is set at $0. On the upper side, the closest opposition is put at $0. ELON value needs to break the level to test $0. As per our examination and gauge, if Dogelon Mars can cross the obstruction level, forceful dealers can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2022. Dogelon Mars forecast predicts a greatest cost of Dogelon Mars of $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2022 proposes the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars coin expectation 2023. In light of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost forecast begins at $0. The greatest Dogelon Mars cost conjecture for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars ELON value expectation ought not be considered as a speculation counsel to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars coin value expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost forecast, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of ELON could reach $0. Value expectations predict ELON needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2025. ELON value forecasts are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a greatest cost of $0, a future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Consequently, the ELON cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is significant for speculation north of a 5-year time period. Dogelon Mars figure 2026 and then some. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and an inevitable increment is normal for what's in store. Dogelon Mars has a lot of chance in light of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just digital currency enthusiasts can play with the image coin for the present moment. If not, you can contribute and stand by, yet you can't rest assured about the profits. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma on the grounds that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven fundamentally by web-based entertainment, publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows that image tokens gets back to their financial backers, and the Dogelon Mars expectation for what's to come is bullish. Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2030 predict Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. It will be